Frustrated with your phone not charging in your Pacifica? Don't worry, you're definitely not the only one. Here's what you can do. First, check if you're using the original charging cable. Some cheap or damaged cables won't work properly with your car's USB port. Try a different cable just to be sure. Next, make sure your car's ignition is set to run or accessory. Some USB ports won't power on if the car is fully off. Still nothing? Take a close look inside the port for any dirt or debris. Gently clean it with a cotton swab or compressed air, just don't force anything inside. If the port looks fine, try plugging in another device. If that works, your original device might be the problem. And if none of this does the trick, check your car's fuse box. Look for the fuse labeled Media, USB, or Accessory and replace it if it's blown. If all else fails, it may be time to schedule a service appointment. Sometimes USB ports just need a professional fix. And that's it. Now you know how to troubleshoot a Chrysler Pacifica USB port that's not working.